So guys, I am unboxing my softbox set. Oh, sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to queent'stv. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out anything that comes from me. Okay? And for my old subscribers, thank you so much for always watching, for always commenting, for sharing. So today I have my softbox set here with me. I am going to unbox it together with you all. So it came with a set of 3 backdrops. I have green, black and white here. Very nice material. So see, I really like the material. Before I bought this, I had to research and make sure that the material is good enough. I love the material. I don't know if I once mentioned this to you. I am a fan of photography. That's one of my hobby. I like to take pictures. So, and then we have, I don't know what's inside. Yeah, these are just the stuff. Okay. It's one of the lights setup. I'm just going to put my bulb here. What is this? I think this is the reflector. Yeah. Be careful, guys. Oh my god, you saw that. Be very careful. Wow. I think to put it back, something like that. Put that. Yeah, I got it. So to unbox, you have to be very careful, gradually. Yeah, and then to put it back, you just have to this, right? And then I don't know if you can see if that makes sense. Then I hope it makes sense. So it's just something basically that I have to put this back so that it doesn't hurt someone. Okay. Here, this is a set of white softbox. This one, another one. It's just like an umbrella. The cover for the softbox. Okay. So this, okay. Here we have the box, well protected. This is a stand. I will show you guys. I'm going to set this up. So I'm going to set this up. All these, the backdrops on the stands and the soft boxes as well. I'm going to do a full setup now. So guys, thanks for watching and keep watching.
up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Thank you so much, lovely people, for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you in my next video. Bye.